Hello and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's compare linear search algorithm, jump search algorithm and binary search algorithm. In linear search algorithm, we need to search each element one by one from start to end. It is also called as sequential search. In jump search algorithm, jump ahead by a fixed number of elements to find the block where the target may exist. Then perform linear search within that block to find the target element. And binary search algorithm repeatedly divides the list in half. Check the middle element. If target is the middle element, then return its index. If target is less, go to left. If target is greater, go to right. Linear search algorithm works on unsorted or sorted lists. Jump search algorithm works only on sorted lists. And binary search also works only on sorted list. And next, let's talk about time and space complexity. For linear search, worst case time complexity is big O of n, best case is big O of 1, and space complexity is big O of 1. For jump search algorithm, worst case time complexity is big O of square root of n, and best case is big O of 1, and space complexity is big O of 1. And for binary search, time complexity, worst case is big O of log n, best case is big O of 1 and space complexity is big O of 1 when we use iterative approach. If we use recursive approach, recursion, then big O of log n. Linear search is simple but slow for large lists. Jump search algorithm is faster than the linear search but slower than the binary search. And binary search algorithm is much faster for large lists. Okay, so this is about linear search, binary search and jump search algorithm. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.